what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Sonam Singh and this is my YouTube channel. It's Sona. Please do consider subscribing my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further updates. And if you are already a subscriber, then welcome back. So we all love taking care of our body, our skin to be healthy. Of course, in this COVID situation, we all need to be healthy. We all have to take care of ourselves along with our family members. Taking care of our body involves many skin care. There are many brands which are available in the market to shop from. But if you are little bit confused that which skincare brand should you use, then I am here to tell you about a skincare brand which is the best. You should involve a skincare or a face care in your daily routine so that your face becomes more glowy and looks healthy. Your basic skincare routine products must determine two things, that they should be natural and second they should be affordable too. वीडियो में ज़्यादा सस्पेंस नहीं बनाते हैं कि कौन से ब्रांड के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ. सो लिटरली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्रांड दैट इज़ हिमालय. I think almost from a child to a senior citizen, they all must have heard this brand. I think Himalaya is the oldest brand. जब से मुझे ख्याल है कि मैं ये सब ऐसे यूज़ करना मैंने शुरू किया है स्किन केयर में. Himalaya is the brand that has been established almost in 1930 and since then we all are using it as a good skincare brand. And it has been almost, I think, 90 years. It has been going to complete its 1 century, that is 100th year. I think this is well trusted brand. This is natural and affordable too. So I have brought almost 5 to 6 products that I have tried and tested on me, and I will be giving you review that you should use this product or not, or how to use it and how does it give effect on your face or skin. If you are interested watching this video, watch till end, and also I will provide all the links of all the products in the description box. If you want to check the product, you can click on the link and just go to the website and buy it for yourself.
So without any further blabbering and talking, let's get into the video.
So the very first product that I am going to show you is this. That is the Himalaya Deep Cleansing Apricot Face Wash that prevents blackheads. This is the bottle of 100 ml and it cost me around 118 rupees. This is a regular use face wash which contains apricot, lemon, neem and aloe vera. Apricot is usually a granule-like particles that prevents the formation of blackheads. Neem and lemon help us to exfoliate the excessive oil particles that is present on your face, and aloe vera help us to moisturize the skin. So basically in this product, when you will take a small drop, you will see small granule particles. That granule particles are the apricots that help us to reduce the blackheads, and you have to massage it for 1 to 2 minutes on your skin in the upward direction to get the better results. Product that is again the face wash but different variant, that is Himalaya Natural Glow Kesar Face Wash that says that it gives instant glow. Yes, I do feel that it do cleanses your pores very nicely. After washing the face wash, you might feel dryness in your skin, so for that you have to apply a moisturizer. The key ingredients are kesar that help us to decrease the complexion, pomegranate that keep your skin supple, mint and cucumber leaves your skin cool. This tube is of 150 ml and it cost me around 130 rupees. So you can also try this face wash and you can see definitely that I have just empty all the bottle because it was the first product that I have used from Himalayan range. It contains mint. It says that your face will feel like a coolness effect, but I don't think so it gives cool effect on your face. But rather than this, I think this is the best face wash that you can use. The next product is a face pack. This is the Himalaya Oil Clear Mud Face Pack. It is for combination to oily skin. Those people who have pores in their skin or having oily face, they can definitely use this. Dry skin people should not use this because it might can feel more dryness to their skin. A 100-gram tube that cost me about 115 rupees. Actually the prices may vary because I have taken all this from Nykaa at the time of discount. You can check them out. When there is a discount, you can definitely get a good amount of discount on all the products. So this face pack ingredients are the multani mitti and the walnut. So we all have heard about multani mitti. पहले के लोग मुल्तानी मिट्टी ही यूज़ करते थे ज़्यादा. After applying this face pack, you might notice or feel some tingling effect on your face, but you don't have to worry about it because it contains some herbal ingredients that might cause some tingling effect. You just have to apply it on your face, and I think you can use this because it is affordable, natural. The next product that I am going to talk about is a night cream. This is the Himalaya Revitalizing Night Cream. It says that it restores the moisture balance, nourishes and repairs, and I think this is the best product of the Himalaya range night cream that I love the most. You can see the packaging, how luxury the packaging is. Actually this is a glass bottle and this is the covering of the cream. This is a 50-gram of product that you get and the cost is about 190 rupees. This is basically a night cream. It contains the ingredients like white lily and tomato. Basically white lily is rich in antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals and repairs daily damage, and tomato is rich in AHAs and which help in cell renewal. The texture of the cream is so soft. I just love the texture. This is the product that you got and you can see it is so creamy and just so soft. It just melts into your skin so nicely and you can't see anything. It dries out and it just smoothens very nicely. You can't just differentiate, and it smells very nice. It smells like a white lily. I just love this product. You should definitely use this product. So now the next thing that I have purchased from this Himalayan range is a day cream. Of course, I have brought the night cream, so why not a day cream? So this is the Himalaya day cream that says clear complexion whitening day cream, that says lightens skin tone and with UV protection. So this is the best thing about this day cream, that it also involves some amount of SPF that is very good for protecting from the sun damage and the harmful ultraviolet rays. So it also comes in this glass bottle, and the night cream was white in color, but it do have a little tint of skin, and it is also a product of 50 gram, and it also cost me around 180 or 190 rupees. Now this is somewhere I think a heavy cream. When you will apply it, you will definitely feel some sense of sweating. I think I feel the sweating on mostly the forehead region because it contains SPF, so definitely you will get some heavy cream, and I think this is also the best cream in a budget. It looks like this. The texture is quite heavy. you have to blend it very perfectly because it can leave white cast if you don't blend it properly, but otherwise it is good. Smell, I think smell is not very nice. Smell कुछ खास नहीं है. The ingredient that it contain is white dimmer that exhibit antioxidant properties to help reduce mild pigmentation and spots, resulting in even skin tone. Next is licorice, which is known to lighten skin and fade dark spots and blemishes to give your skin brighter complexion. It will give a brighter complexion और uneven skin tone को हटा देगा. It does not mean कि you will be fair. So don't be like I'm using this cream so I will become fair. No, that is not purpose of this skincare, or there is nothing I think that can make your skin fairer. The way you are beautiful. Only these are the skincare products that make your skin more healthy. Okay, so you should use these products to be healthy, to make your skin more healthy, to make it more presentable, to make it more good. So yeah, this is it, all the products that I have shown you. If you have any kind of queries or something, you can DM me on my Instagram. I will link the handle of the Instagram in the description box. You can go and you can definitely follow me there also. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you have loved the review of all the products, and if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do comment how much do you like it, and follow me on my Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hope to meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care of your and your loved ones and be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.